Hello everyone, welcome to Math EduTop. Today we study some important basics related to determinant, that is the order of determinant, then how to solve determinant. Okay, then let us study. See here, first the determinant of order 2 by 2. We have to represent a determinant of order 2 by 2. Then the representation of determinant is in this way, and this is we use for the matrix. Okay, close bracket is used for matrix, and this as for determinant. Okay, notation is this one for the determinant. Then this AB elements are present in first row, the CD elements are present in second row. Okay, these are the rows. Okay, these are the rows, and these verticals are the column, means horizontal are the row and vertical are the column. Means AC element is present in first column, this BD element is present in second column. There is of order 2 by 2 because the number of rows are 2 and number of columns are 3. Okay, that is the order of determinant is here 2 by 2 order determinant. Rows and 2 rows 2 column. Then how to solve this determinant? Then by taking a cross multiplication for this 2 by 2 determinant, means AD minus BC. In this way we find the value of any 2 by 2 determinant. Okay, AD minus BC, as well as A11 represent the element which is present in first row first columns. Here this A11 having a value A. Okay, this element is present in first row as well as first column. Then this A12 position represent the element in first row second column. This first implies row number and this second implies column number. Okay, this first implies row number, second implies column number, because order is row into column. Then first row second column, this element is B. The next is A21, that is second row first column, row column, second row first column. Then which one is second row? These are second row first column is C element. Then this A22 means second row second column. Then which one is second row? This has second row and second column is this one, the element in the second row second column. Okay, means second row element and second column element is D. This represents the position of a element, and the value of here determinant we find by taking cross multiplication, means AD minus 10 BC. Then here some one examples, that is 7213. Then taking cross multiplication, that is 7 into 3 21, middle is minus sign, 1 into 2 is 2, means 21 minus 2 is 90. The value of this 2 by 2 determinant is 90. Then here something 2 by 2 determinant, if we solve this cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, middle is minus sign, then minus time, this again minus sin theta into sin theta, means cos square theta minus time sin theta into sin theta, means minus sin square theta, means this minus and this minus is plus, means what we get, cos square theta plus sin square theta, and the standard value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay, then for determinant of order 3 by 3, how to represent? We represent in this way, means first row second row third row, first column second column third column, means 3 rows and 3 column. Okay, then here same thing, this A11, what this A11 represent? This represent the element in first row and first column. Okay, this row number column number. Here also A12 represent the element in first row second column, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. Okay, in this way this each element represent the row number and column number in which it is present. Then how to solve this 3 by 3 determinant? Okay, then for the solution of 3 by 3 determinant, we take, that is along the first row. Here there are 6 different methods to solve the 3 by 3 determinant, means along any one row, means along R1 row, R2 row, R3 row also we solve this determinant. Same thing along the column C1 column, C2 column, C3 column, along 3 columns and 3 rows we solve the determinant. Then there are total 6 methods. Then here we solve, generally we solve the determinant along the first row. Then how to solve, means we take here A11, how to solve this determinant? Here we take A11 first element in the first row into this element in which it is present, eliminate this row and column element. Then it is present in this row, then eliminate this row, as well as in which column it is present, eliminate this column. Then what is remain? Only this and this, means only 2 by 2 determinant is remain. Okay, means A22, A23, means only 2 by 2 determinant is remain. The same thing for the second element, we take minus times second element. Okay, minus times second element into this minus times second element into the eliminate in which it is present in first row second column. Okay, then we have to eliminate this. Then we eliminate this row and this column. What is remain? This element, this element, this and this element. When we eliminate this, then only this and this element, means only 2 by 2 determinants remain. That is A21, A23, and next is A31, A33. Okay, then A31, A33. Then next plus time, okay, plus minus plus sign are in this way. Then A13, then in which row and in which column it is present, eliminate this. Then it is present in first row and the third column, eliminate this. What is remain? This element and this element, means in which row, in which column it is present, eliminate this row and this column. The remain is 2 by 2 determinant, means A21, A22, A31, A32. Then again, by solving this 2 by 2 determinant, we know that taking cross multiplication and multiply this element, same thing, solve this 2 by 2 determinant, multiply this minus A12, again we solve this 2 by 2 determinant and multiply this, we get the value of determinant. In this way we solve 3 by 3 determinant. Then for example, here we study by an example. Here also we are given 3 by 3 determinant, and then how to solve this determinant. Then position is A11, A12. Then first we are solve along the first row. Generally we solve along the first row, or either you can solve along any one row or any one column, but here we generally solve along the first row, means first element of first row. Then in which this element is present, one is present in first row and first column. Then eliminate this. Then what is remain? Remain is 2 by 2 determinant 1, 2, 2, 3. Then middle is minus sign, minus 2 time. Again it is present in first row second column, means which remain 3, 2, 2, 3. Okay, the remain is 3, 2, 2, 3. Then next element is plus time third element, that it is again present in first row third column. Remain is 3, 1, 2, 2. Okay, the remain is 3, 1, 2, 2. Then we solve this 2 by 2 determinant or usual way by solving. Then this 3 minus 4, 2 into 2, then minus 2 time, this has 9, minus 2 into 2, 4, then plus 3 into, this has 6 minus 2. Therefore this 1 into 3 minus 4 is minus 1, minus 2 time 9 minus 4 is 5. Then this plus 3 time 6 minus 2 is 4. Then which is equal to minus 1. 5 into 2 is minus 10. Plus time this 4 into 3 is 12. Means minus 10, minus 1, minus 11 plus 12 is plus 1, which is the value of determinant.